Okay, so in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over our all-American breakfast choices. So far that we've looked at tree diagrams, right? And this tree diagram, we got a tree diagram over here with a bunch of breakfast items. And if you notice, each one of the lines that go to each of the items have a weight to them or have a number. This tells us the likelihood of getting that item. So fried eggs, for example. The likelihood of someone ordering fried eggs is 0.42. That means that it is a 42% chance of someone getting that. Same with scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs have a 36% chance, and poached eggs have a 22% chance. And all of the meats have a value to them, and all of the bread options have a value to them. So what we want to do is we want to use this tree diagram to help us try and figure out each of these questions. So the first one says, how many combinations of the American breakfast are possible? So we got to look at each branch. So the first one is our eggs. We've got 1, 2, 3 types of eggs. Okay, so eggs, we have 3 of them, 3 options. The next one is our meat option. And we've got 1, 2, 3 of those. And then last we have the bread or the toast option. And we've got 1, 2, 3 of those. So all in all, we have 3 times 3 times 3, or 27 total options to choose from. Now, number 2 says, what is the probability that the next order of the American breakfast is fried eggs, bacon, and Italian toast? So in order to find this combination, we need to look at the weight of each of these probabilities. So fried eggs, the probability of fried eggs is 0.42. Okay, so we're going to have 0.42. Now we need to look at bacon. So bacon probability is 0.75. So I'm going to have 0.75. And then the probability of Italian toast is 0.6. So I've got 0.6. So if I multiply all of these together, I should get 0.189 or 18.9%. So the probability that someone gets fried eggs, bacon, and Italian toast is going to be 18.9%. Question 3, what is the probability that the next order of the American breakfast is not scrambled eggs, bacon, and Italian toast? So in order to figure out the probability of it not being that, what we can do is we can find the probability of it actually being scrambled eggs, bacon, and Italian toast, and then subtract it from 100%. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to find the probability of getting scrambled eggs, bacon, and Italian toast. So scrambled eggs is 0.36. Bacon is 0.75. And then Italian toast is 0.6. So the probability of getting scrambled eggs, bacon, and Italian toast is 0.162. Now, I'm going to put a little note here. We want the opposite of this. So we're going to subtract from 1. And the reason we're subtracting from 1 is because 1 represents 100%. So if we do 1 minus 0.162, we should get the probability of not getting this breakfast order. So 1 minus 0.162 gives us 0.838 or 83.8%. Number 4 says, what is the probability that the next order of the American breakfast is scrambled eggs and ham? So we're going to have scrambled eggs, ham, but then we won't have a toast option. So in order to figure out just scrambled eggs and ham, we just ignore that last row of the tree. So probability of scrambled eggs is 0.36. Probability of ham is 0.15 for a total probability of 0.054 or 5.4%. And then the last one, what is the probability that the next order of the American breakfast is sausage and wheat toast? So this one, we're leaving out the eggs, so we just jump ahead of the egg option and go straight to the meats. So sausage and wheat toast. Probability of sausage is 0.1. Probability of wheat toast is 0.23. So the probability of sausage and wheat toast is 0.023 or 2.3%.